So these are cans, tuna cans.
Right, this is emergency stuff. I'll give you a story about last night. The police found us, okay, had a mom who fled domestic violence. The kid and mom had only thing they had was what they were wearing. Simple. They didn't have this. The police are not going to give you one of these. So this is a lifesaver.
So initially we bought the Mazda to give it away to a family for free, but we were looking and it was quite difficult to find a family to give the car away. So instead we had the idea that why don't we just sell the car cheap to a family that needs it, and with the money that we get we can give it to a food bank, so hitting two birds with one stone. We actually advertised the Mazda, and a couple came. They actually have 6 kids, and they come, I think it's an hour journey, and they seen the car, they checked the car, and they really loved it, and they paid just over £800 for the car. We bought that car for just over £400, so we doubled the money on that car and the flip that we made. So then in total we had £800, and the crazy thing is when they even come to view the car, somebody actually crashed into them. I mean, there's a picture of their car, which is a Ford Fiesta, hitting to the side of them on the way to viewing the Mazda Ferrano 7-seater. But you know, they seen it, they liked it, you know, they bought it, and you know, that was the end of story. And the car's gone to a happy home, and they're so happy with it. And so anyway, so we've got the money. So the plan is that we're gonna give it to a food bank. We had to get certain supplies for the food bank, and the supplies were baby powder milk, nappies, cans of food like beans, soup, biscuits.
Okay, so we've got ourselves a 7-seater MPV, and that's what we're going to transport all the food that we've got. This is from one shop from Aldi's. We went to 3 different Aldi's and 2 Tesco's because we didn't want to take all the items from one shop. We'll just take it from bit by bit to make it fair. And so we've got all the stock. This is from 2-3 Aldi's, 2 Tesco's. This is only half the items that we've got, and we're going to go back again, but we're going to fill it up right now and see how it looks. So let's start doing it now. So these are cans, tuna cans. My back is killing me. More milk powder. Okay, we're nearly there. Chocolate chip cookies, my favourite.
Which is Aldi, and from Aldi we bought majority of the stuff. Although we didn't want to get it from one shop, we didn't want to go to one supermarket because if we just take it all day it wouldn't be fair. So we just went, it took us about a week, so every other different sort of Aldi's and supermarkets across the 7 days.
Okay, right, so this is half the stuff that we've got so far. So I'm guessing the cans are going to fill up to around here. So that is crazy, but that's how it's looking right now so far, and it is what it is. And just gotta go a few more shops and then we can get this to the food bank. We're here now at
Bearded Bros and Salma Food Bank.
Bearded Bros Salma Food Bank. So just tell us a bit about what you do.
What do we do?
Yeah.
In a nutshell, right, we're the only emergency food bank in the country. We don't take any money, no funding, no nothing like that. Anybody that works here is a volunteer. Okay, we just give up our time and effort just to make sure that somebody else can get some food, and they don't go without food. Simple as that. Regardless of colour, creed, nationality, religion, doesn't make any difference to us. For our fellow human beings, these guys just showed up, told me the story, right, what they bought the car, done it up, and you know what, the proceeds they're using for the food bank. This is mental. And you know what the scary bit is? I'm not a very religious person. I'm Muslim. I'm but not very, very religious person. And every day I do this, right? I swear to you, it's scary because I literally was having a conversation with one of my colleagues saying, we've got no nappies. Look at this. That is mental. You know, these, to you and I, is nappies. But imagine being a mom, okay, that couldn't afford to even put nappies on the kid. This here, 10, 11, 12 quid, something like that, depending on where you go, right? This is emergency stuff. I'll give you a story about last night. The police found us, okay, had a mom who fled domestic violence. The kid and mom had only thing they had was what they were wearing, simple. They didn't have this. The police are not going to give you one of these. So this is a lifesaver. This is not just normal biscuits. I swear to you, when we give these to people, we give them a bag of food, they literally open these up and eat them because they're hungry. This is real life situation. This is not a joke. Come and spend a day with me. You'll realize that this is like a third world country situation. It's absolute. You and I don't know it, but I swear to you, I'm probably knocking on doors, a couple of doors away from where you live, and we wouldn't even know it.
Wow.
We're oblivious to it because we're still stuck in the rat race. We're blessed that we have people like yourself that can help us, right? And then we can just pick these up and give them to somebody else. The beauty of the project is we can't take nothing away from this. It goes to somebody in need. There is no commission, there is no wages, no nothing. And that's the only reason why we are the only emergency food bank in the country.
Wow.
Simple as that.
I don't think there's nothing more that I can say really. I think you've just...
I'll tell you what you can do. Go get some more cars. That's what you can do. That's brilliant.
This is the first one we've ever done, so that's why to me it's like I can't believe that I can actually, because a lot of companies have so many securities or some sort of protocol to follow, and you can't just go straight. This is the easiest, quickest way that I can just, well, I just drove here and here it is, like we've done the shopping.
A normal food bank, right? You know, you're talking about protocols. A normal, I'll give you a scenario. 2 kids, mom, come Friday, goes to a cash point, and I don't know, for whatever reason, she hasn't been paid job seekers allowance or whatever it is. Now, her local food bank probably opens for about 2 hours on a Tuesday, right? She can't go there just willy-nilly. She has to have a voucher. Now it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So now she has to go and obtain this voucher, which are probably going to be open on a Monday. How do you tell kids, I can't afford to feed you for 3-4 days? I don't care if they're your kids or my kids. You can't say that to a kid. Simple as that. And how can I expect that my kids eat and yours go hungry? Nah, there's something not right with you if you're thinking in that manner.
Of course.
Right? So therefore, our doors are open during weekdays, Monday to Friday, 9 till 6. You literally knock on the door. That's it.
Nice.
Tell us what your situation is, and we'll talk to you, human to human. We deliver to the most vulnerable, people that can't get to us, bedbound. You know, that's a lot to do with emergency services. So you'll have fire brigade, ambulance, police, social services, council. They will tell us, listen, you know, we've just been to somebody's house, they've got nothing in their cupboards. And a lot of people that we go to, they're so proud that they wouldn't ask. That's the beauty of it. We're not feeding somebody who's sitting on the streets, homeless, right? We can tell he's got no money. But we're going to people who they will not ask you. And literally, when we're giving them the food, they're crying because that's how desperate they are and can't believe that somebody's actually come to the rescue. And doing this, right, we've now got, believe it or not, 750 volunteers. So that's 750 people around the West Midlands, right, who carry emergency food parcels in their vehicles. So at a drop of a hat, we can get out to certain areas. It's gone a bit mental. That's what I was like 7 years ago. I honestly did not realise this existed. Because you're caught up in your own world, aren't you? You're caught up, you're working 9 till 5.
It's crazy.
You save all this money to go on holidays. You're trying to give your kids the best. But I did not know what 3 doors away was doing. And I can tell you from where I live, 3 doors away come to me. And they're in a situation, but I would never have known. If somebody's going to walk 2-3 miles just to get a bag of food, you and I know they're in a situation. It could happen to any one of us, that's the truth. And a lot of us are like, what, a bill away? That's what we are. And that's the reality of it. We are literally a bill away. And you know, some of the folk that actually come to us to the food bank, these are working class people that that just can't make ends meet. They're showing up in nice cars.
Wow.
I'm telling you, because the car doesn't belong to them.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
mortgage, the house don't belong to it. It belongs to the bank, mate.
yeah.
So when they get this unexpected bill or furlough, etc., etc., it makes that knock-on effect where they can't now feed the family.
Yeah.
COVID was a big one. COVID was definitely a big one. We were allowed to stay open, right? But it made a effect on the donations we were getting. So a lot less people were coming to us with donations. Then we developed another idea that, you know what, bugger all this. What you do is you go onto Asda's website. You place, so you want to pay, I don't know, you want to pay 100 quid to a charity.
Yeah.
Get £100 worth of food, and in the delivery address, put us. Wow. Job done. Yeah, I was thinking about all new innovation ideas, but I just keep it going. But it's been crazy. It's been 7 years, and it's now 250,000 food parcels later. Yeah, cereal, milk, beans, tuna, soup, pasta, and then items of choice, whatever that may be, like crisp chocolates, whatever we've got extras of. It'll be like potatoes or whatever, you know. And then now we've developed other stuff like toiletries. Right? You know how big period poverty is? Mate, we get people telling us they can't send their kids to school because they can't afford sanitary towels.
Wow.
That is mental. How is that even going on now? Right? But that, nappies, baby milk, this is like, as I said, 11, 12 quid a pop. Think if you got no money and you got a little baby to feed, that baby don't know. These all things, like I said, they're quite immediate. People can pick them up, don't really have to have, you know, cooking knowledge or what have you not. They can just eat it. It's quite immediate. People that come into us, and like I said, it's an emergency food bank. It's not just your everyday Joe. It's people who have fallen on hard times and need it there and then.
Okay, where can people find you, and how can people donate?
The links are salma-foodbank.org or beardedbros.com, and our telephone number, which is 07767 164 246. That number is if you want to donate. That number is also if you need help. You text the word food, you'll get a reply back with full instructions on where to get food from and where your local depot is. We say we had no nappies. That was an understatement.
Wow, mashallah.
This is the food bank. It started with literally 2 shelves.
No way.
Yeah, then,
Let's do a quick clip. Okay. Right then. About 4 or 5 trolleys full. So we made it to Salma Food Bank. And this is it. And just can't believe that we did it. I hope everybody can see this, and we can all get together and do more for food banks and for the people that's in need. So let's keep going.